chicken sandwich with the Caesar right on top. And honestly, it doesn't need anything else. Sauces or anything. What's going on? Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking. Welcome mothers, welcome fathers, welcome grandparents, welcome whoever is checking us out today. Today is a special day. It's hot outside, and I'm excited to be in the kitchen. Why am I excited? Because I made this sandwich the other day. Jerry had sent it to me, and I made it, and she's like, I'm surprised you didn't film it. I was like, well, I wasn't sure, blah, blah, blah. I instantly regretted it, and I wish I would have filmed it for y'all because it was so good. We have been talking about this sandwich since the beginning of this week, and today's Thursday. We've been talking about it since Monday. So I'm excited about it. Today, we're fusing two of the most favorable lunch items: a chicken sandwich, a fried chicken sandwich, and a Caesar salad. And we're making them married. And they're going to have a baby. It's going to be a chicken Caesar fried chicken salad sandwich. So start, I got my boneless chicken breast. They've been brining. I've been marinating them. Now, if you want to marinate them, that's fine. Your brine is just going to be a saltwater bath for 30 minutes if you're in a rush. You know, tuck them away, put them in the fridge, 30 minutes, take them out, marinate them, 30 more minutes. If you're in a time crunch, we can skip the brine. We can go to the marinade. But if you have time, do it the night before. It's fun because the next day when you get home, it's going to chef's kiss. Salt, pepper, a little bit of the Creole seasoning, some paprika. I'll have all the information for my marinade in the description below if you want that. I know some people are very particular about their marinades, and they're like, oh, I got the best marinades. I'm going to stick with mine. Appreciate it, Dad. You're welcome. If you want mine, it's in the description below. But needless to say, so let's just jump into this. We're going to go ahead and start battering these bad boys up. Start getting ready for the fry. I like to kind of let them sit for a second and let them kind of coat and find love in their brine. Wow! You want to show them? Yep. Woo! What is that? A squash! All right, so I take my chicken into the eggs, dolciano, into the flour, coat them up, flip it around, coat that side up. Now, we're like George Costanza. We're a double dipper. And then I have a little juice strips. That's fine. Why? Why is that fine, Dad? Well, that is going to create some flakiness once we start frying this. Man, oh man, I've been thinking about these sandwiches. We had them the other day, and they were fantastic. All right, so we're going to take our chicken. A lot of times, what me and my wife actually do is I tend to make the main dish, and she does the side dishes. So that's normally what she be doing. I'm going to make some mac and cheese for the kids out of a box, because I'm not going to make fried chicken and homemade mac and cheese. That's just a lot. Not enough for you, Dad. Stop it. Just look at that crust right there. That's the sound of angels eating lunch. Woo! Get your bag salad. Plain and simple. This is just Caesar market side salad with romaine lettuce, crumbled garlic, croutons, shredded parmesan, cheese with Caesar dressing. And you don't want, you want to make sure you don't overdress because you're not going to prom. This is just for dinner. Look at that. Oh, oh. Now, so these don't get cold, I am going to set my oven at 250. And I'm just going to set them in my oven to let them stay warm because I want them nice and warm. And it's fine. Sometimes you lose some breading. I'm not Paula Deen or any of these other professional chefs. I'm a parent chef. You're a parent chef. That's why we're all here. We're not perfect, okay? We don't expect you to be perfect. Now, Grandma, I expect your fried chicken to be on par. So it's going to be a simple how to form video. Simple, y'all. We're going to make this complicated. Bun. Look at that. Those are good buns. I don't care. Chicken. Just like that. Salad. We top it just like that. We top it just like that. Make it look good, make it look beautiful, you know? Oop. There we have it. Our chicken sandwich with the Caesar right on top. And honestly, it doesn't need anything else. Sauces or anything. Mm. That, y'all, that's how you do it. It's good. It's hot. It's cold. Mmm. Mmm. Gotta do a happy dance on that one, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching my videos, liking, comment, and subscribing, and being here part of my family, y'all. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you see the joy I have with this. Like, I really enjoyed making this the other day, and I wish I would have filmed it then, but I was even more excited to film it today, not gonna lie. And I'm just in a really good mood today and was really excited about making this. So, y'all, thank y'all so much. It's simple. We're getting that chicken ready, getting it nice and dressed up, getting our Caesar salad nice and coated. Not too coated because it's not raining, it's hot outside, so we want to prepare it for that. And just combining the two, making the best homemade Lunchable for dinner. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you hit the notification button to get notified anytime I post a video. Make sure you hit a thumbs up and make sure in the comments below, put a piece of fried chicken and put the salad bowl emoji and let me know. Let me know. I love y'all. Catch you next time.